Nice.
And how cute that Spider-Man outfit.
I know. We love an incognito aspiring artist.
Absolutely.
Well, I shouldn't say aspiring. He is an artist.
Yeah,
so
already. Yeah.
go get him. You've got what I don't have, but I can talk. I can talk about the weather, and of course, that's what I'm here to do today. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'll show you what's happening here at home, but then we'll also chat a little bit about, of course, Milton and the effects of that as Milton has pushed off into the Atlantic in a very serious note. So we'll get that in just a moment, but first, here is your live look around town right now. Absolutely stunning. Here's your San Antonio skyline too. And then here is what we do need to talk about. Number one, first and foremost, our thoughts and prayers still go out to Florida, but luckily the impacts were not as severe as we initially thought as Milton continues to push off the coast. But eastern portions of Florida as well as the southern parts of Georgia are still under that storm surge warning. So keeping a close eye on that. High pressure is in full control right now. 87 degrees, sunshine, dew point at 52. This is great. This means it's really dry out there. Winds are light. We'll take it. All right, temperatures across the region, 87 for San Antonio. We've got 80s into the hill country down south and 90 on the board for Cotulla, and a stunning view outside. We really don't have much to talk about here at home because it's like a repeat day, Groundhog Day over and over because of that nice weather and high pressure talking to us quite a bit, a little bit too much if I do say so myself. Here's the deal. For today, the one thing I want you to know, we have an air quality alert issued. So between 1 and 6, I want you to spare the air. An ozone action day has been issued, and that's really all we've got on tap for us today. Okay. Pollen count, ragweed moderate, molds are light at a 240 count. And again, just keep your eyes on these temperatures because as we advance throughout the day, we just get to those mid 90s, drop into those 60s overnight. That's what your weekend looks like too. Again, we do have in the Great Lakes a little bit of a low pressure system you're going to start to see drop here. And as a result of that, we get lower temperatures, not this week, but next week. Okay, so here it is. 95 degrees on the board pretty much all week, and I think we're going to be in those mid 90s. And then heading into next week, we'll drop down with that low pressure system into those 80s, which is certainly going to feel a lot more like fall. And then our next slight chance for rain doesn't really arrive until Saturday and Sunday of the exclusive 14-day forecast. So guys, enjoy this weather while it lasts and just hold out some hope because we will drop those temperatures very soon. Jeremy.